Hi, I'm John Simpson, President of Trike Tech, and thanks for ordering up our introductory DVD. I thought I'd bring you out here to our local park in Buellton, California, and introduce you to our line of products and tell you a little bit about our company. In 2000, after nearly 10 years of developing, prototyping, and messing around on these three-wheel carving vehicles, Trike Tech was founded to bring this product to the world. What's interesting is people ask, how is this developed? And it was really originally designed as something purely to bomb down hills on, something stable with three wheels that will stay on the ground and that can lean into the turn. So at speed you can corner well, and then of course to have brakes to slow down just in case you need to dump a little speed. You don't want it to be too out of control. And it was only later discovered at the bottom of the hill, if you kept turning, you would keep propelling. And from that came just a series of design changes and tweaks and calibrations and experimentation that led to the design you see here today, which you can propel it up hills, you can still bomb hills as well, but it's just a really fun, easy platform and new way to discover how to propel on pavement. Now, most of the calls we get, people are asking us what size is right for me, which model is right for me. So I'm going to take a minute here and just go through all the different models we have, show you the different sizes, and explain a little bit about each of them. This one, as you probably can tell, is for the little kids. This is for a 5-year-old to maybe 10, maybe 9, depending on how tall they are. This is adjustable, like on all of them. So the little guys can go here, and the guys getting a little bigger go here. I can ride this. It's not exactly the exact size I should be using, but I can have fun. Probably not the one I'm going to want to ride for miles and miles. So that's the Trike 5, the kids model. The next size we have is the T67. This is a great teen model, small adult model. I can ride this. It's not the perfect size for me. If I'm going to go any distance at all, I probably won't want this one. I'm 5'9". If you were 5'4", perhaps this is a good model for you. You could also use the T78, but this is a good, affordable model for, like I said, teens, small adults. Next in the lineup is the T78. This is our full-size, our new full-size model. Now this, I could go on a ride for 30 miles on this very comfortably. If you just look at the ergonomics, how comfortable I am positioned on this. As I said, I'm 5'9". This will fit riders, up to 6'3", 6'4", comfortably. And again, they can ride for miles. It comes with air wheel on the front, as you can see, with aluminum rim. Of course, you've got your folding mechanism right here. And then it comes with 7-inch polyurethane on the rear here. And this is all convertible. Once you want to challenge rougher pavement and kind of go out into a bigger world of riding, you can swap them out and put your airs on the rear as well. So it's an all-air ride. So it's a convertible. It's a T78 convertible. It's a great entry-level, full-size model for you. Now the next full-size model we offer is the T8 Air. First of all, it's manufactured with aircraft-grade aluminum, and it comes with all upgraded components. It's got leather hand grips, kind of higher-end brake cable housing. It's got sort of a mag wheel setup, nice aluminum rims, all air right off the bat. Fenders, with reflectors, and just taste your graphics. It's a really great ride. Again, I could ride this all day long. Very comfortable, very stylish. Okay, the last full-size model we have is the T12. This is the T12 Roadster. And this is our highest end vehicle with wheels at the moment. As you can see, it's got bigger wheels, 12-inch wheels. Comes with disc brakes. If you're gonna go the distance, you know, this can be ridden for 50 miles without a problem. The bigger wheels really allow you to go over any cracks, rough pavement, and just roll and roll and roll. It doesn't take quite as many turns to propel each mile. So it's a good momentum ride, and you can just get in your groove on this puppy and just let it roll. Again, it's made out of aircraft grade aluminum like the T8 Air, and unlike the T78, which is made of steel. So just to recap, we start at the Trike 5, small for the kids, goes up to the T67, go to the mid-size model for the teenage up to small adult, up to the T78, that's your full-size model, comes with the air tire and the polys on the back, up to the T8 Air, the aluminum full-size model, and then right into the T12 Roadster, our sort of premium disc brake, great distance rider. They all fold down for easy travel, storage, and they all work the same way. Once you get on, you don't want to stop. You just want to keep riding. Much like the bicycle, trike carving vehicles have enthusiasts from all age groups, from 5 to 85 and even older. And unlike the bicycle, you are driving this in a comfortable standing position. You know, you're not bent over at the waist and craning your neck up in order to see where you're going. You're in a nice ergonomic position that doesn't give you any pain in your back or your neck by those angles, sustaining those angles for hours. As well, you're not on some uncomfortable seat, you know, that's jammed between your legs, and instead you're using your natural shock absorbers with each turn. You're shifting your weight from one leg to another, and you're using your core because you're twisting, and then your upper body as you drive through each turn with your upper body. It's not going to damage your knees like jogging. You know, jogging, you're pounding the pavement. This is a low impact to no impact environment where you can get the same health benefits. You're getting the muscle building you're looking for, you're getting the calorie burn you're looking to get, and the much needed daily cardio out there as you're just rocking and rolling and carving and having a really good time. For that reason alone, this has become a life-changing vehicle for a lot of people who've come to us and said, I am out there riding, I'm having a blast, I'm in the best shape of my life, and I'm not damaging myself. We know of an 83-year-old gentleman out in Florida who can't walk 2 blocks without having his sciatica act up on him. But he just rode 30 miles on this and on our Florida fun ride recently. So despite the weight loss and the fitness elements, what this is really about is the joy of riding. You get on for the fun, and the stress relief and the fitness benefits follow. People are getting on day after day because it's so easy to just get on and ride. And even if you say to yourself, oh, I'm just going to do a few turns in the driveway for a couple minutes, next thing you know, you've carved through your whole neighborhood. You've gotten some great exercise, and the entire time you've just been having a blast. We actually have a trend now in the US where PE departments and schools are purchasing these for their PE classes because they've discovered that the kids are getting on them for fun, and then they're getting all the fitness benefits. One person told me it's exercise disguised as fun. So it's really working, and we're very excited about that trend. Riding can take less effort than walking, even though you're traveling at 3 times the speed. So it's also a great human-powered vehicle, a green transportation alternative. So don't be surprised when people are curious to know what it is you're riding. People ask us all the time, where's the motor on that thing? And when they realize it's really just you and that easy swing motion that's carrying you up the sidewalk, they get really excited. And when you get one of these in the mail, you will have an instructional DVD that goes into all the assembly instructions. Very simple. It's putting on the handlebars and the front fork, and a much more detailed how to ride manual. It'll break it down for you. But most importantly, just imitate. Children pick it up like that. They watch you go, they jump on, they do it. Don't overthink it. See how we do it on the DVD, get on it, and go. Well, thank you for taking some time to watch our introductory DVD. I hope you feel much more enlightened about us, about our trike carving vehicle, and the joys and the benefits of riding one and owning one. All you have to do now to get one is give us a call, 877-4TRIKE, that's T-R-I-K-K-E, or log on to www.trike.com. I'd love to hear from you guys, find out just how much fun you're having. Till next time.